Good morning. So first is to join Julian's in apologizing for keeping you here, and then also apologies to the governor for having kept you all morning. You are supposed to be here at 8:30, and governor, you've been gracious enough to be able to be patient and wait for us to be able to finish the conversation that we are having with the National Treasury, which is a continuation of actually the theme of this conference. So karibu sana Daktari Kamau Thuge. The mandate of Dr. Thuge is to ensure that our monetary policy is sound and ensure that we have proper pricing for the country. And then also he has a mandate to ensure that the economy is growing. And again, we need to have hard cash. So Governor, karibu sana to this conference, which is the 14th that we are hosting as KBA. And we are very excited because when we started this journey, it was majorly academic research, but we've come to a point where now this conference, we normally hold it to be able to ensure that we find solutions to our present problems. The current challenge is how we finance our small and micro businesses. So just joining Julian's again to be able to acknowledge the governor's presence. In the room also we have our KBA chairman, Paul Russo, the group CEO of KCB. We also have our vice chair of KBA, Betty Korir. We have our governing council member CEOs. We also have partners led by FSD Kenya that we've worked closely together. Our researchers, we don't forget you. We are very grateful for having put in a lot of work throughout the year to be able to make this event be able to be successful and make it a reality. To all our stakeholders, all our colleagues within the banking industry, all bank CEOs for our member institutions, we are honored to have you be able to be part of these conversations, to be able to see how we finance the micro and small businesses. So talking about the theme, we bringing scholars, practitioners, regulators, policymakers to find a solution to this challenge on how we power and be able to provide more credit to our MSMEs. We've just come from an event where the statistics indicate that 90% of businesses in Kenya, 98% are micro and small businesses. Now the challenge is, that's the market we have as Kenya. So if you're a financial institution, that is the market you have, and we need to find solutions as to how we can get loans to these segments to be able to be in business. Otherwise, we get ourselves out of that business segment and you're only remaining with 2% to be able to serve. So in the 2 days that we'll have these discussions, let's focus to be able to see what can we do. There'll be discussions on credit guarantees. There'll be discussions around how to improve our credit scoring. There'll be discussions even around pricing, and we are at a very good stage where we are transitioning through our pricing on how we price our credit. So we'll want to share ideas as to how we can better be able to structure so that we can be able to serve our market. And then also as KBA, and I know the chairman will be able to touch on this, we have given our commitment to really lend our hand on MSMEs. And we had given a commitment that this year we'll double what we did in 2024, which was 75 billion to these micro and small businesses. We gave ourselves a commitment to double that. I hope Chair can be able to tell us where we are on that particular journey. And because of time, allow me to stop here and thank you again for your patience. thank you for honoring our invite to be here for this discussion. And just to indicate that we've transitioned from pure research to now actionable strategies to be able to ensure that we are solving the challenges that we have amidst us. So I'll thank you once again, and allow me at this point to be able to invite our chairman, Mr. Paul Russo, to be able to give us his remarks, and thereafter he'll invite the governor to be able to speak to us. Thank you.